So while waiting for our friends, go na. Tanaw sa tas newest attraction is Cebu ang Fun Park and mo nilang slide by. Oh, oh. Og na sila. They're gonna slide now. Oh, uban na nakka na padung sa taas. And they're making way. Ready, go. So would you ride that? Diba? So another fun thing to do in Cebu. Money Linear is a fun park. That's one of the main attractions. That's New Star or money. Ilang mga rides dyan sa Sud. So, ana. Bisita niya mo rin Cebu. Very. So, now I head back to Penguin Cafe. It's really walking distance na. We're gonna go back there. Mana. Let's interact with the penguins and have fun. Diba? Sa cafe. Okay, timing sad. I'm hungry already. So, let's see also what food they serve there. Mga friends, so sila. There's Reggie ug sila. Og mana, so na Miss Penguin Cafe. Sila ang unang musod. Nana mga penguin. Ha? Wa pa ko nakauli, nana mga penguin. Oh, so oh, mo na penguin yung kay mga pina mga penguin.
Ito yung jeep tuyo.
Yung penguins, guys. Oh, na penguin, you can up close and personal with a penguin. Pengu.
Ito na jeep ko finally.
Oh, penguin mo naman ni nagduck dia yung penguin. So it's really
skin ba?
It's really a bird. It's really a bird.
Dili gid no.
Ano birdie?
No dapat.
Birdie. Oh, what about? Ooh, penguin.
Ito sa scenery. Bro mag-duck.
Alright.
Oh, yun.
Brandy, huh?
Ay, pwede na sa listahan. Gan opening sa...
Suka din ni. Look, sugo. Look, sugo. Gara-gara man. Oh, gara-gara man. Oy.
Gara-gara ang duck.
Gara-gara man. Pakitang gilas man. Oh! Gara-gara ang penguin. Pengu. Gara-gara mas pengu. Grabe. Sudah madakmat nih. Wow. Gara pa. Wow.
Bawag sila mo ano ka nang
Ulupad.
bangga sila pa.
Oh. By the way, welcome to Cebu Penguin Cafe. And here in Penguin Cafe, they serve coffee. Of course, coffee. And our menu is, by the way, they have coffee. They have delicious Penguin Americano series, signature latte. They have cakes, sodas, crepes, smoothies, fraps, tea, and blended tea. So there's Emma Bashi. Ito ta. So we have these cakes and pastries. Mauna. Mauna. Ooh, cookie. Panna cotta, and the crepe here. And the nicest thing is more like, you know, you can interact with penguins, take photos, have selfies, and you know, really observe them play, observe them swim, groom themselves. They still look like a duck up close, but you know, they're fun to watch, and sometimes they swim fast, fly. I mean, you know, jump over water. So, like him. Oh, kusog kayo. Oh. Go, gara pa. Lupad. Alright. Gukod-gukod. Oh, gara. So, really fun to watch. Tanang, igara silang tanan, no? O, kata, pahuway na siya. Diba? Thank you for the show. Uy. Nag-show naman sa siya. Uy. kapoy na but yeah, so lingaw kaayo. Later we're gonna try out the food. Of course, we're here for the food and not really for the penguins. Not here for the penguins only. They have food. Na di sa case lang mahal, by the way. Oh, di ba? So one of the 170, 140, so di ba? So okay ra kaya. They mo nilang ilang crew diri. Oh, di ba? Okay. Decided na mag hazelnut velvet ko kay mayang recommendation ba. Umag gini ilang best seller.
Hindi siya i...
Sa kunig gwapa tanaw dito lang ako tanaw. Oh.
Decadence?
Cheesecake, signature cheesecake.
Oh, lain lang tagwa. Alright.
Malalaya mo picture. Decadence ko.
So decadence iya and ako mo tanaw ko sa mga cakes because so man yung order chocolate decadence, signature cheesecake, carrot cake. So kung kamo unsa may yung orderon, probably ako mango signature cheesecake. So mag signature cheesecake na lang ko. So miss, signature cheesecake lang ko. Ti ba ti?
Tres lang, sige ka na. Try pa.
For food, we can enjoy watching the penguins, do their thing. I mean, nalingaw rin sa mga tao, di ba? Wow. And I guess we have some crowd here. Oh, di ba? Padayon na mo. So, mana, giman na niya mong drinks. That's a strawberry one. Di ba? Sila na. So, they basically make coffee here, smoothies, hot and iced tea. Diba? So mana ang strawberry ni Leyland. Di ba? Smoothie. Narang ato maghimos kape. Right, lamig na kay smoothie ni Ley. So kani dere, naghimo pag mga, nara mo mga cakes. Share lang ni. Sana mo drinks uban. Muna mong cakes. Finally, amo namin tilawan and a bit. Ano akong mango?
Save mo. Saan ka order na cake?